Hello and welcome to this parent training series. Throughout these instructional modules, we will aim to provide you with evidence-based resources and strategies to learn more about autism and navigate associated parenting challenges. Topics discussed will help equip you with the skills to better understand what exactly autism is, what may be causing your child's problem behaviors, how to manage particular behaviors, and how to eventually increase your child's communication and social skills. Before we begin, it is important to note the information contained in this parent training series is solely for educational purposes and should not be considered medical advice. You should use independent judgment and request references when considering any resource associated with the diagnosis or treatment of autism and its associated medical conditions. In the first module of our parent training series, Strategies for Parenting Children with Autism, we will discuss what autism symptoms are, the causes, and treatments. What we know about it thus far about this complex condition. Autism spectrum disorder, also referred to as ASD, is a complex neurological and developmental disorder that affects individuals diagnosed in 3 different domains. These are deficits in social interaction, social communication, and excesses in restricted or repetitive patterns of behavior. We will talk about each of these 3 domains in further detail as the module proceeds. It is important to note that autism is a spectrum disorder, meaning that no 2 individuals with the diagnosis exhibit the exact pattern of symptoms and behaviors as someone else. Therefore, autism is a unique disorder that affects people in a variety of ways. Individuals with the diagnosis can range from being nonverbal and requiring support for daily living activities, such as eating and getting dressed, to being fully verbal and having the ability to attend a mainstream classroom with no additional support. Individuals diagnosed with autism will fall somewhere on this continuum or spectrum, exhibiting a variety of skills and deficits. Individuals are diagnosed with ASD based on the behaviors they exhibit during an evaluation with a psychologist or other qualified professional. Next, we will be completing the first active parent responding question of the parent training series. Throughout all of the instructional modules, you will be presented with these questions, also referred to as APRs. They are meant to keep you engaged in the session and review some key points covered. Your answers also provide information about the usefulness of the content provided. In order to answer these questions, you will need to exit the video and complete the questions within the quiz that follows. Once you complete the questions, you will then click the next link, which will bring you back to the next video, and we will start by reviewing the answer to the active parent responding question.